I have tested quite a few of Gorich's beach tents, and today they gifted me a sun shelter. So this is a little different than your standard beach tent. I thought it was going to be hard to put up, but it actually was quite easy. Just fill up the sandbags. If I had been paying attention, it actually came with shovels that would have made it so much easier. And it does have stakes as well. I didn't actually use the stakes. I didn't need them. Just lengthen out the poles and then put them up. For this, I do actually have my daughter holding one of the poles, as it definitely helped to have someone else assisting me as I lengthened out the sandbags to put it up. But once up, it really is wonderful. It's a little short, but wonderfully spacious when you're under it. The wind flows, you have all of the views, and something that really surprised me is that it handled the wind quite well. We had a few gusts. I didn't know what to expect, especially since I hadn't staked this down, but thanks to its design, it held up beautifully. And when it was time to take it down, it was remarkably easy to take down. Mostly just lift up those sandbags. They empty on their way, roll it all up, stuff it in the bag, and I was good to go. So if you're looking for a great sun shelter, this is a really wonderful one. It gives you a lot of space. It will make a beach day so much more fun. The Gorich Sun Shelter with 8 sandbags.